Yo guys, hello, welcome back to another awesome unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, the 128GB and 6GB RAMs, and yeah, let's go man, let's go for it. I don't know, should I use the cutter or not? Anyways, the reason I bought it is because 5 years ago I randomly got a free Redmi Note 5 cell phone with my phone provider. They gave it for free because I was paying the bill, the service, you know. Anyways, and I was really pleased and I really enjoyed it, I really like it. But unfortunately, like 1 month ago, I cracked the screen, unfortunately. Okay, this is a bill, not for you guys. So yeah, I cracked the screen, and also the battery is getting destroyed. So yeah, I got this one, this babe, Redmi Note 11 NFC as well. Okay. What is the color? I have no idea. What is PLA? Okay, whatever. Yeah, here's the specs. Graphite gray. Okay. I remember I got my dad that Xiaomi graphite gray. Yeah. 6GB. Do we have Greek? No. Is it on English? I don't know, man. Anyways, I got it for 200 euros. It's around $220 USD. Okay. There it is. So it's like very recent release. I bet this is the case. Ah, this is the membrane. Nice. That's why I like Xiaomi. I love this. So these all are the booklets. And we have a membrane case. I like it. I really like this with Xiaomi phones. We have the pin over here. Okay. Here's the pin to open. Okay, let me remove the phone, the knife, before I cut my fingers. Booklets, manual booklets, blah blah blah. Okay, we don't care. This is what we came from. Okay, and this is the phone. Here are the specs. Qualcomm Snapdragon 9GHz AMOLED. Does it has Gorilla Glass? I have no idea. 50 megapixels quad camera. 33 Pro fast charging. 33 watts. 5000 mAh battery. Nice, very nice specs. And also that's the reason I prefer Xiaomi phones, because they are cheap and they have great specs. So here we go. Come on. There. Here we go. There it is. Plastic back, okay. Like 4 cameras, okay. Crazy, huh? Yeah, there it is. This is where you open it to install the SIM or the SD card, if it is. I don't know if it is, if it can, it supports SD card, or it has only internal memory. Okay, there it is. Nice. Let me put it over here. Like this. Yeah, something like that. Actually, I'm gonna apply it later when I install the SIM. Okay, that is, and the reason I didn't choose any other color is I wanted the background to be, the back plate to be dark, because the front plate, the frame all over the screen is always black, no matter the color you get. So if you get a light color, a brighter color, I don't know, it looks like over here, it looks really ugly. So I got the graphite gray. Yeah, there are more brighter colors, but when you see it from the sides, it's like, you see over here, it's already black. You can tell over here the frame is black, but this one is darker, so it's not ugly. But when you get a brighter color, it looks really ugly. And I don't know why Xiaomi does that with their phones. Okay, the size is very nice. Yeah, nice. So as I said, I got it because I cracked the screen. Right now I'm recording with Redmi Note 5, but I cracked the screen. Also the battery is getting died, like after how many, like 5-6 years, so it was about time to replace it. Also I'm gonna use this one, Redmi Note 11, to record Lego speed build videos and other maybe unboxing or real life videos, who knows. So yeah, I'm gonna use it as a camera, my main camera from now on. Yeah, nice. Now I don't know if it supports the Greek language. It says like European International something, European edition. Do you guys see any GR? Cyprus? Cyprus. Maybe since it says Cyprus, maybe it supports Greek. But if not, I think I can install it, or in the end, maybe I use English. So whatever. Yeah, this is it, guys. Redmi Note, guys. Redmi Note 11, the new one. New release, guys. I guess this is like, this should be, should I press it? Okay, this is for the volume over here. But this one should be like the fingertip. You can also press it, but it seems like a button for fingerprints. So it's like I unlock it like this with my thumbnail, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but I really like the 4 cameras. It's gonna be way better than my previous Redmi Note 5. 100% way better. I love it. I already like it. Very nice. What else? Yeah, that's gonna be my main phone from now on, and my main camera to record stuff and Lego speed build videos. So yes, and also yeah, the case is like, listen to that. I don't know, it's not flat like this. I don't know why. Outside, you see, outside it's flat, it's really nice, but inside it has like some like anti-grip. Listen to this. I don't know why it is like that. Really weird, huh? Anyways, yeah, free case. I have no idea if this has a Gorilla Glass. I hope it does, because my previous one, my Redmi Note 5, broke over here. Actually, when I drop it, it's fine. Everything is fine. The problem is that, like last time, I dropped it on the stairs in the corner, and it was cracked over here. I will record the footage video to show you guys with my S5 to see how it looks like. Anyway, guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed. This is my new stuff, new accessories. Yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Adios. Okay, guys, we're back with the recording session. I totally forgot the rest of the inner box, what's included. And if you see, I totally forgot, you remove this cardboard, and we have like the, I guess it's USB type C. Yeah man, finally. It's like my parents, it was like type B. And we have type C and the massive charger over here. 33 watts, man. I guess this is a fast charger. Am I right? Yeah, that should be a fast charger. Yeah, it's heavy. It's big. Nice. So, yeah, the phone comes with a fast charger as well. 33 watts, very nice. Beautiful. Okay, guys, yeah. Very nice. Yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.